How to create a YouTube channel on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first I will launch the Chrome browser on your device, and on the search bar, all you have to do is just search for youtube.com. Now as you search for youtube.com, make sure that you are logged into your account. After that, what you simply need to do is tap on the search bar and copy the YouTube link. Then paste the link over here, and then beside this slash we can just type in for channel switcher, and then so you'll be able to see this option over here where you can see the option of create a channel. So tap on create a channel, and as you tap on create a channel, here you can add your channel name. So for example, if I'm going to go for CC and then tap on I understand and then tap on create, and as you tap on create, it will take you some time to get you loaded with it, and just wait for a while until it loads properly on the browser over here. And there you go, you have created a channel on Android. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.